Most people don't even realize that they've lost their flexibility and mobility until everyday movement starts feeling harder. The good news is that your body is designed to move well, and with the right exercises, you can improve your flexibility and feel more quicker and confident in day-to-day life. You don't need expensive equipments. You don't need a gym membership. All you need is a little space to let your body move as it was supposed to move. Today, we are going to improve flexibility, mobility, and your agility with a simple workout that you can do right at your home. Chalo then, let's begin. We'll begin by opening up the shoulders. Stand tall, spread your arms out, create small circles. Slowly increase the size of your circles. Gradually, a little bigger, bigger, and bigger. This movement helps improve shoulder mobility and prepare your upper body for dynamic movements. Switch directions. That's it. Now, let's focus on the hips. Lift one knee, open it to the side, bring it back down. Control move, no rushing. Our hips are designed to move in multiple directions, but often modern lifestyles keep them locked in one position for hours. Let's restore some of that natural movement. Alternate sides. Alright, now we are adding a little agility component. Drive one knee at a time. This improves coordination, balance, and lower body mobility while gently elevating your heart rate. Think about moving with control, not speed. Now let's challenge mobility in a different direction. Step to one side, bring the other foot in, then move to the opposite side. Most people spend their day moving forward and backward, but true agility comes from being comfortable moving in every direction. Stay light on your feet, relax your shoulders, keep moving. Stand tall, reach towards the floor, walk your hands forward until you are in a plank position. Pause. Then walk back and stand up. Take your time. This movement improves flexibility through the hamstrings while building full body control and stability. Quality over speed. Every repetition counts. Now, let's wake up the nervous system. This exercise is all about small, quick steps. Stay on the balls of your feet. This exercise improves reaction time, coordination, and foot speed. Move lightly. Imagine you're bouncing effortlessly off the ground. Great work. Cool down and relax. Take a deep breath in and exhale. A lot of people think that mobility and agility are only important for sports, but in reality, they are essential for life. They are what help you move confidently and continue doing things that you enjoy without feeling restricted by your body. Whew, remember, movement is just not about exercise. It's about maintaining the freedom to live life on your terms. Keep showing up, keep moving, and your body will thank you for it. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.